This is Chapter 9 Review, Page 2, Problem number 4. State whether the transformation appears to be an isometry. Well, remember, with a pre-image, this is where you start with, and with an image is where you end. So your pre-image and your image have to be congruent to one another. And if we look at this picture, we can see that the circles are not the same. So no, and the reason why there's a size change. Next problem. In the diagram, solid. So you're going to take a look and see this is narrow down here and this is narrow. And this looks like it kind of curves a little bit right here, and that one looks like this is kind of curved. So on the angles, angle F is going to be congruent to angle S. Angle E is going to be congruent to angle R. Angle D is going to be congruent to angle Q. And angle C is going to be congruent to angle T. Looking at your lines, your sides, FE is going to be congruent to SR. ED is going to be congruent to RQ. DC is going to be congruent to QT. And CF is going to be congruent to ST. Name the image of E. The image of E is R. Angle R. Draw the image ABC reflected in the x-axis. So the x-axis, this is my x-axis right here. I'm going to reflect this over the x-axis. So for A, I had to go 1, 2 to get to the line, so I go 1, 2 past the line. This is now A prime. I had to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to the line, so 1, 2, 3, 4 past the line. This is now B prime. And 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 past it. And this is now C prime. All right, so we're done, so I can shade that in. That's my final answer. In one flag, a translation image of the other, or a rotation image. All right, this looks like all you did was slide it. It still has the open space at the top, still dark space at the bottom. I didn't look like I rotated any. It looks like all I did was slide it. So this is a translation.